I want to assist Gautam Menon.
Yes.
For that, so I can do Ajit,
Yeah.
Ajit movies.
As a child artist, I'm told that you got 2 awards.
State awards, yeah.
State awards.
Yeah. I always wanted to become a performer. Like, I wanted to know for my performance. Like, people should come up to me and say, you performed really well. Rather than coming to me and saying, you looked really well.
How was your chemistry working with Simbu? Were you afraid of him?
Initially I was. He told me, even you are like her, you're very free. You're very soft spoken. I don't know what is all. I'm not actually.
There's no hot scenes in AYM
No.
between you and...
Cute scenes. No hot scenes as such. Now he's telling me I had a lot of kissing scenes, but then since you said you can't kiss the heroes, I changed the scene. So I don't know if that's true or he's being sarcastic. I've always been an independent girl since a very long time.
You're a fiery, independent girl.
Dangerously independent, I would say. Kirti, I think she knows both Malayalam and Tamil really well. She's multi-talented, let me just say that. Initially, I was very arrogant, so I would just say, I'm fat and let them sign me if they like me like this.
Another red carpet, and look who I have with me this week. Manjima Mohan. Yes, she is the new girl on the block. Yes, Manjima, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
It's great, yeah. People are talking a lot about you.
Yes.
That you are going to be the next big thing in Tamil cinema.
I don't know about that, but I'm very excited that people are talking about me all of a sudden because everything happened suddenly. We were not planned much, the release and stuff like that. After the censor, I see posters of my, me everywhere, and I'm like, oh my God, now it's happening. After 1.5 years, it's actually going to release. Very excited. At the same time, so much pressure on me.
Yeah, but fantastic to have a bilingual, and that too
Yeah.
by Gautam Vasudev Menon.
The launch is really big. I didn't realize the value of bilingual until now. I was like, okay, bilingual, so what's the big deal? But then you go to Hyderabad, you see people talking about you. You come back to Chennai, people talking about you. So right now, I know the value of it.
Leela, Maitri, the college friends.
How was your chemistry working with Simbu? Were you afraid of him?
Initially I was.
Initially, you were scared of him.
I was not scared of him. It was just the.
Have you heard any horror stories about him?
Yeah, a lot. Before I started off, many people came and told me about him. But then, sir, I'm always sorted in my head. I knew I'm just going to work and I'm going to come back. Nothing in between. So, but then when I met him, I think he's the sweetest person I've ever met. And he's very genuine.
Yeah.
He's not fake at all. If he doesn't like anything, he'll come and tell you, see, I didn't like what you did. Or if he likes something, he'll come and say, I liked what you did. I think I'm also someone like that. So we got along really well after a point. Initially, I was like, that's all I'm going to talk to you. But then later, I got along with him.
What about Chai?
Che, from the very first day, I was like, really friendly and all with him. He's very comfortable. He'll make you feel comfortable on the set. He's very down to earth. He's very professional. And
He's a nice kid. Chai.
he's a really nice guy. Like, he's coming from a really big family. But then the way he treats everybody around him is just, I've looked up to him and said, dude, you're very sweet to people. He's like, yeah, I've always been like this. So, yeah.
Leela, Maitri వాళ్ళ friend అంటరా? Hey.
How is it that AYM is only, I believe, 2 hours 15 minutes,
Yeah.
while
Telugu
SSS,
is- yeah, even I'm too curious to know why it is because
did they shoot additional scenes?
no, I was there in both the scenes, both the movies, and it's equal because whatever we shot in Tamil or Telugu, vice versa, we'll shoot in the next language too. So it's not like we shot something extra with me at least. So I don't know why it's extra. Even the censor certificate is different, so I have no idea about it.
Okay, because the Telugu version has been censored as UA.
And this is U.
U.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why it is. I didn't get to ask Gautam sir about it either.
There's no hot scenes in AYM
No.
between you and...
Cute scenes. No hot scenes as such. Because he always tells me with my face, he cannot take anything like that.
Why you feel you have a girl next door?
No, he says I have a very innocent face. I don't know why, but he always tells me that I have a very innocent face. And the story doesn't need such scenes. It's a very cute relationship between the hero and heroine. So he doesn't have to add. But he's telling me add a lot of kissing scenes. But then since you said you can't kiss the heroes, I changed the scene. So I don't know if that's true or he's being sarcastic. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name? What name?
செம்ம பேரு சார்.
Another thing I've heard is that you're a very brave girl. You're staying all alone in Chennai.
Yeah.
But why did you take that decision? Because you're not taking your mummy or daddy to the sets or anything like that.
No, I stay alone. I've always been an independent girl since a very long time.
You're a fiery independent girl.
Dangerously independent, I would say. That is the word. Like my dad and all sometimes gets very, scared. Like he'll be like, I've taken taxis at night, 10:30, 11. Leave. Forget 11, 1 o'clock and I've been in the cabs alone. So my dad's like, what are you doing in life? What do you think you're doing? He'll get scared. And he'll make sure till I reach home, he'll be awake. Only if I reach home, I'll send a message saying that, you can go to sleep, I've reached home. I wouldn't have even reached home by then. I'll just tell him so that he sleeps, he doesn't have to be awake. I've always been like that because I did my college year in Stella Maris. So since then, I've done my things on my own. I don't depend on anybody. I don't like depending on people generally. So I think which is why. And also I know I'm not new to this industry. I might be new to Tamil industry, but then I know what happens in an industry, and my dad has given me some good advice, and he's told me what to do, what not to do. So I think I'm very sorted that way, and there's nothing to get scared of. People are really nice too.
Have you ever fallen in love?
Of course I have. I have fallen in love.
Are you in any relationships?
Right now, no. Right now, I'm not in a state of mind to be in a relationship, I'm just accepting the fact that, okay, I'm in Tamil industry, there's a lot of pressure. It's not like Malayalam industry, you have to be extra professional here. You have to, work on yourself. You're not perfect, right? You have to, kind of work on yourself. So I'm just kind of focusing on all of that. But if something happens, like if I fall in love, then I fall in love. And I'm very clear about it. It's not like I hide from my family, that at least my brother will come to know about it. And my mom can easily figure it out if I'm in love. So right now I'm just single.
So you're single at the moment.
At the moment, yeah.
And you're so focused on your career.
Career right now. But sir, if something happens, I can't say that right now for next 2 years I don't want to fall in love, which is again fake. If something happens, then let it be. If it's someone who understands my profession, then why not? Because my dad and mom is married for more than 32 years, and theirs is a love marriage.
Oh, you're okay.
Yeah, so I'm always like, I always look up to them and say, how do you guys manage? They fight for 5 minutes, next 5 minutes they'll be like in complete love. So I don't mind being in love.
That's great.
It's a very beautiful feeling. I mean, I'm sure there are a lot of problems along with it, but again, if you look at the good side, it's a really good feeling. Mango juice, biscuits, noodles.
சாப்பிட்டுக்கிட்டே இருப்பியா?
Tell us about AYM and
SSS.
Triple S. Tell me in full what Triple S means. AYM and Triple S.
AYM is about two people. It's not about their characters. It's about two people, their journey, what they face during the journey, and how they deal with it. That is in one simple sentence. And I play a very girl next door type. My character's name is Leela in the movie, and she is the hero sister's friend. She comes home, she meets him, they go for a bike tour, and then what happens during it. It's the same in SSS too. It's just the heroes change. That's it.
How did you get this role? Because after Vadakan Selfie,
yeah.
Vadakan Selfie, you had a very pivotal role, and Vineet had given you such a good role, I would
Exactly,
say.
yeah.
That role got you this, or?
I think, yeah, because once the trailer came out, even before the movie came out, Gautam sir called me. Actually, he said he just watched the trailer because Vineet always sends his trailers to Gautam sir.
Oh.
So he happened to send this trailer too to Gautam sir, and that's when he was looking for an actress. He saw me in the trailer for like 2 seconds or something, and he said, I want to audition this girl. I don't know what was in his mind. He called me up and said, can you come for an audition? It's a bilingual movie. I said, sir, I don't mind doing Tamil movie, but then I'm not too sure about Telugu. He said, why don't you just come for the audition first? If you get chosen, then we'll talk about all that. I said, okay. And the next day I went for the audition. And I got selected. Did the audition, I got selected.
Yeah, but you had some movie experience because you were there, I think, as a child artist.
Yeah.
8 films you did.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. I mean, you had the right backing, and your father, Vipin Mohan, is a noted cameraman, cinematographer in Malayalam, and your mother, Girija, is a well-known dancer.
Yeah.
And so all that put together, you had the genes in you?
I think yes. I had the dancer genes in me. I had that technical information too from my dad. That helped me in Malayalam, sir, but that never helped me in Tamil. I don't think it'll help me too. Because my dad did all the movies in Malayalam. He doesn't know many people here in Tamil.
Yeah.
The only
He did
person-
over 100 movies.
More than 100 movies, yeah. So people always knew I'll come back as an actress. They knew I was a child artist. I took 11 years gap. And there were people calling my dad and asking if I'm interested in acting, but then he kept saying no to all of them. Because he never knew that is what I wanted, you know. I always wanted to become an actress, but I never told anybody about it because I thought I might end up hurting him because he's seen the industry, he's seen everything. So he doesn't probably want the daughter to go through all of that. So he always told me, no acting. But then after my college, I went and told my mom, see, this is what I want. I'm very passionate about this. Can we talk to, Achan about this? And she went and spoke to him and he agreed to it.
Was there rebellion at home?
Me?
Yeah.
I am quite a rebel. But then I didn't have to go through so much. He easily understood that this is what I wanted. And he said, let a good script come. So before I told my dad, the first person I told was Vineet Srinivasan. I messaged him on Facebook and said, say, this is what I want. I don't know how to talk to my dad about it. He said, let's wait for a really good script. And if a really good script comes by, then I'll talk to your dad.
Vineet is a very good script writer.
Yeah, absolutely. Like he gave me a very strong role in my very first movie. Like you don't see my hair going like that and all, but then it's a very strong role. He always tells me that, you carry the story, like the entire responsibility is on you in the second half. You go through different emotions. And for a newcomer like you, I'm not too sure if you'll be able to pull it off, but then I have a confidence in you. So,
But how was it working with Nivin?
Oh, it was a great fun working with Nivin. He is one of my best friends in the industry. He's a very talented actor, very hardworking. Yeah, he's very fun. He'll make you laugh during the scenes. Like if you see the movie, throughout the movie, I'm just sad and crying all the time.
Yeah.
And then he'll come and say something. He'll make me laugh, and he'll do the scene properly.
Okay.
So, but then I had a great time working with him.
So Vadakan Selfie is sort of a stepping stone because that film also, the hero is in search of Gautam Menon.
Exactly. Yeah, I was about to say that. He
Yeah.
tells no in that.
Yes, and that is the reason why you got introduced to Gautam.
I don't know, but then there's this sentence where he says, I want to assist Gautam Menon.
Yes.
For that, so I can do Ajit,
Yeah.
Ajit movies. In the movie, he wanted to meet Gautam, and even in the song, he goes, he goes to meet him. But then I get the opportunity. So once I got Gautam sir's opportunity, the first person, I think one of the first people I called was Nivin and said, you know what, I got a Gautam Menon's movie. And he was like, dude, 5 years I've been wanting to act in a Gautam Menon movie. With one movie we've already, been launched by him. So I was really happy. That a lot of people asked me about that coincidence that happened. Yeah.
Okay. And what about this? Do you think it's a heroine-oriented role in AYM and Triple S?
I think Gautam sir has given equal space for the hero and the heroine. I don't want to say that he has much to do, or if I have so much to do. He's always balanced both, and most of
Yeah, but you see Gautam scripts. You look at previous VTV or any of those films. The heroine has a very powerful
role. Yeah, she has a very powerful role, but then she's not a very powerful character. Like she's a very normal, very soft girl, but then she goes through a lot of emotions, and it's because of her that even he gets involved in all of it. So it's a travel of both of them, how their life changes at the end. So yeah.
நீங்க வந்திருக்கவே கூடாது.
What is happening here? வாடா வாடா நான் அவனுங்களை தேடி போறேன்.
Who are your role models in cinema?
There's only one role model for me. That's my dad. His commitment and his dedication is just too good. Like he doesn't go to the set to do his job. He does everybody's job. If he finishes the movie, he makes sure he goes and sits with the editor, and till the release, he'll be there with them. So I think that commitment and dedication, I haven't got so much from him, but then I've always inspired him. I mean, I've been inspired by him a lot.
Okay, and since you are from Thiruvananthapuram,
I'm actually from Palakkad.
You are actually from Palakkad,
I was born and brought up in Trivandrum.
Trivandrum. Your dad, you must have seen a lot of movies during your growing up days.
Yes, a lot of film people have come home. I've grown up seeing all of them. But my dad always made sure that he never discusses about films at home. When he's back from shoot, he talks about our school, what my brother also did, what do you do the whole day.
Yeah, your brother is quite senior to you?
Yeah, he's 12 years elder to me. He's like my second father. Yeah, a lot of things which I cannot talk to my parents, I discuss it with my brother.
So there was, I'm told, there was some kind of initial resistance for you becoming a heroine in your family.
Yes. There was.
Your dad didn't want you to be a hero.
No, not because he doesn't like film industry. It's because he was scared. He was scared what will happen to my daughter. Now she's going to enter the industry. Like he's seen so many heroines, right? From black and white movies to even now. So he was scared if I'll be able to, go through all of it. If I'm strong enough to face all that. That's it. Otherwise, I think he was happy with my
What about your mother?
She was always supportive. Like she's the one who took me initially when I was a child artist. He never comes with me. She takes me, to the sets and all that. She was always supportive. She wanted me to become a dancer or an actress. So
Have you learned classical dancing?
yeah, I'm a trained Bharatanatyam dancer.
Oh, fantastic. What did Dan say about you?
He always makes fun of me. He calls me kid. Kid, it's time for your shot. Come. So that's it. He hasn't come and told me that you've done a good job. If sometimes the scenes might come out really well, then he'll say, good job, I like your work. That's all he'll say. But then he's not someone who'll keep appreciating you or anything. He's just, always chilled out, always funny and entertaining on the set. But then there are a lot of people talking about the chemistry. If you see Ava, the song Rasali and all that, I think that the entire credit goes to Gautam sir. Like he'll just switch on the camera and he'll just ask us to be, whatever you want to do.
Did your dancing help in any way?
No, I didn't get to dance yet in any of my movies. Not even the ones I've signed also.
Okay.
I'm waiting for that just to dance.
You want to dance?
Yeah, I love dancing.
Okay. And so the character of this Leela in A by M has been worked out well.
Yes, it has. I don't know if it is somewhat related to my original character. I thought it was not. But then recently Gautam sir said, no, you are quite similar to her. Which is why I casted you. So just now, a week back, I got the explanation for why he casted me. So
What did he tell you?
He told me, even you are like her, you're very free, you're very soft spoken. I don't know what he saw, I'm not actually. And he said, you're very sweet to people, and all that is Leela's character in the movie. So he's like, I could relate, so which is why I casted you. So I said, okay, fine. Let it be, because I've asked him so many times, why me? And he never answered me, always, he'll just smile at me. So now I got the answer.
I feel that people who have come from Kerala, heroines like Asin, Meera Jasmine, Nayanthara, they are all at the end of the day dubbed in their own voice, and it has proved successful for them.
Exactly, Nayan and Nanam Raju.
And Kirti.
But with Kirti, I think she knows both Malayalam and Tamil really well. She's multi-talented, let me just say that. She's very talented.
She's a good friend.
Yeah, she is. Apparently, the only friend I have in the industry, I would say. She's someone I call up when I am, again, confused at times. There are certain things you can't ask a man. You can't discuss with your mother. But then you go to a friend who is in the industry, who's a girl. So that is, I think she is one among
So, Kirti Suresh is your sounding board.
Sometimes, yeah. But now she's too busy to attend my calls.
Yeah.
But then, there were times I've called up and said, even when the movie was getting delayed, I used to call up and say, you know what, I'm being very impatient, I don't know what to do. So
Were you frustrated that it was delayed for over a year?
More than frustration, it was that, why is it happening to me? I was not angry, I was sad. I was sad because people who started with me have gone much ahead and I'm still waiting for my launch to happen. And it is not a big thing. Like people say, what? You just waited for 1 year. But that 1 year, I haven't signed anything. I'm just waiting for my movie to come out, my everything, every single effort has gone to that movie and it is taking forever to come out. Not because someone has done something wrong in our team. It's because everybody's done their work, but it's still getting delayed for no reason. So that irritated me a bit, but I was not frustrated or angry. I was just sad. I took time to come out of it, actually.
I think it's a good learning experience.
I see. This is like a school, I always believe. Now I've learned something from Gautam, I've learned something from Simbu and Che, learned something from the team. I've learned to be patient in life.
Yeah.
So I think I'm now perfect to face the world. I think that's because that's the training I got for this like 1.5 years.
உன் கூட வரலாம்னு பார்த்தேன் on your bike tour.
ட்ரிபிள்ஸ் நினைக்கிறேன்.
மச்சான் நீ இன்னுமா கிளம்பல?
சூப்பர்ரா.
Do you want to be known as an actor or a star?
Any day an actor. I want to be known for my performance and not my stardom. But if stardom comes with it, then let it be.
As a child artist, I'm told that you got 2 awards.
State awards, yeah.
State awards.
Yeah.
So you are on the lookout for.
Yeah, so I've always, I don't know if I tell this, my dad is going to get a heart attack if I tell this, but then there were times when I watch a movie, I go back home, I imitate that in front of the mirror.
No.
Yeah, I used to do that. Close the door, lock the door, and this is what I do. I just imitate the actress or the actor, whoever the specific role I like, I'll come back and I imitate. I always wanted to become a performer. Like, I wanted to know for my performance. Like, people should come up to me and say, you perform really well, rather than coming to me and saying, you looked really well. You looked really good on screen. Yeah.
So you are also on the lookout for female-oriented roles?
No, again, not female oriented, but then I think this industry, especially in Tamil and Telugu, you need to balance both. Sometimes you have to do commercial movies, you know, where you might only come for few scenes. But then I always believe that even if you're coming for 30 minutes, you can create an impact on people. Like when they come out, they can still speak about you. They can say, oh, she came for 2 scenes, but then she did a great job. So that's what I want. And it's very difficult to get such roles. I haven't really accepted the fact that I have to do commercial movies at times, but then this is what the industry wants, means I think I'll have to balance both.
I believe you are strong on social media.
Very strong on Twitter.
Yes, you got verified. Congratulations.
Yes, 2 days back. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, do you get trolled?
I got trolled for my first movie. I got trolled for my very first movie, that is Uri Vadakin Selfie. You watched the movie? There's a climax in where I'm crying.
Yeah.
And
they made a lot of
they made fun of me. I was sad. So that was the depression phase I was talking about. I couldn't take it because I was there for the first day, first show with the entire team. And exactly for that particular scene, there was something else happening in the theater, and I remember I was in tears. I came out with a very sad face, and that continued for at least 2-3 weeks. I was really, really sad. I never came out. I told my mom and dad, you guys go wherever you want, but I'm not coming with you guys because I don't want people to look at me and laugh. Sometimes when I go out, there are people actually who came up to me and said, you know, you should stop acting because you can't act, you can't cry, you can't, you know, show any emotions. I was shocked. You know, they'll click pictures with me and then this is what they say. So I didn't know how to take it basically. I didn't know how to accept it. But now if you ask me about that, I'm prepared for it.
Is there any particular scene in AYM and Triple S that which you feel you're not up to the mark, or you're keeping this in mind?
Some scenes I felt that I was not really good when I watched for dubbing. I thought I could have done a better job, but then when I asked Gautam sir, he says that he was satisfied with that scene. So if the director, the captain of the ship is satisfied, I think.
So okay, so Vadakan Selfie is just a learning experience. It's your first movie.
Yeah.
You can't expect to be a fine actress in your very
Exactly,
first movie.
yeah.
So this is going to be the film which people are going to assess you more on this movie.
Exactly. I'm waiting for this movie to come out because I know trolls might come out, but then I think I proved a bit that, you know, I can.
What are your strengths?
When it comes to acting?
Yes,
essentially.
exactly.
I don't know, but again, I've asked Gautam sir. He tells me that I express a lot through my eyes.
Okay.
Yeah, your eyes are your strength. Like, you know, you can express a lot, even if it's a sad scene or if you're laughing. If someone sees your eyes, you know, they can make out. He also tells me that I can't lie because it'll be again a scene. So I think this is my strength. And my smile, people say that keep smiling. Whatever you do, just keep smiling. So I do that now. Even if I'm sad, just keep smiling. Yeah.
So there were some heartburns inside because of.
Yeah, there was, because even when I was going through that period of, okay, I'm going to quit acting, the only person who stood by me was Vineet and his wife, who kept saying, are you stupid? Like, just because few people are talking about your acting, that doesn't mean that you're not a good actor. You have to improve a lot, which is true, but that doesn't mean that you've done a bad job in Uri Vadakin Selfie. I think they are the only people who stood by me at that point.
Did Gautam give you a narration of the story?
No, he didn't. He told me an outline of the story, but he never gave me a narration. I never asked for one either. I don't think anybody knew the entire story. He knew the first half clearly, but then he's someone who will work on it as you progress the shoot. So he never told us the story completely.
Yeah, but don't you think it's one of the biggest breaks in recent times? Because you look at it, most of the films, to be playing heroine opposite Simbu, and that too within a Gautam Menon film, is a big ticket film for you. But why you didn't do any Malayalam films after Uri Vadakan Selfie?
I still don't know why, because I haven't got many calls from Kerala.
So you mean to say no offers came your way?
No offers came my way. That is the truth. That there's no point in saying I didn't have dates or anything. That's just faking it. I didn't get any offers from Malayalam. Even now, even when I'm sitting here, I haven't got much. Even before the movie came out, I'm so glad that, you know, Tamil audience, they
Even
like
Nivin
me.
Pauly has not offered you?
No, he hasn't. I always ask him, why are you not offering me? He tells me, you know, you'll ask for a big amount, then I'll have to keep feeding you biryani. So I think I'll go with small actresses. I'm happy with that. Yeah. I think that is the thing, sir. That's what people say. Oh, now she's gone to Tamil and Telugu. When she comes back to Malayalam, I'm sure she's going to ask for a big amount. But inside for us, for people like us who's grown up there, no, I want to go back and do really good Malayalam movies. Forget money, but I'm saying really good scripts because Malayalam has got amazing scripts now. Like newcomers are coming and their movies are doing really good. So obviously I want to go back and do, but then nobody's offering me. Not even my dad actually. Yeah.
And now you have, I think you're doing a movie with Uday Nidhi Stalin.
I finished one with Vikram Prabhu already. Yeah.
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 What's the title of that?
Vikram Prabhu's is Mudisuda Mannan.
Mudi Sudaman.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a typical commercial cinema.
That's again a bit of village style is also there in it, but at the same time it's a mix of both rural and village.
Okay, and this, tell us about Uday Nidhi Stalin movie.
That is again urban story types. It is a very fresh script for me. Like I remember that this is the only first script. I've heard so many scripts in between, but this is one script I decided then and there itself that I want to do it, because it is very exciting and she plays a different role in it. Like she's very funny and all that. I haven't done something like that in past 2 movies.
So the film has not been titled.
No, not yet.
Okay, and then are you doing a film with Vijay Sethupathi?
There were rumors. I'm not doing it. Yeah,
You're not doing it.
I'm not doing that project. Yeah.
Okay. Then there's a big story that you're going to play Dhanush's heroine in
Even I've
BIP
been
2.
hearing about it. Nobody actually came and spoke to me or told anything about the project. I saw it, but then I was like, okay, nobody told me anything, so I don't want to.
You haven't met Dhanush.
I've met him a couple of times, but not for a project as such. I've met him in a public place, but then not for a project as such. So I don't know what they're talking.
So who vets the roles in the sense that is this role good or is this role bad? You must be having somebody to discuss your scripts or something. The new offers that come your way.
Honestly, no one. I decide. Sometimes I get confused. Sometimes the role will be really good, but I'm not too sure about the script. So the first person I go to is my dad. But it's very rare. Always I take my decision because he's given me that liberty to. He tells me that if you don't like to do something and if I tell you it's nice, then you will be confused again. So you take a decision and then you come to me. And then you take my opinion. End of the day, it should be your decision. You don't have to force yourself to go to a set and do a role just because they're offering some good amount or it's a really big project or anything. Make sure you like the project, you like the script, you like the team. You inquire about it, and if you're fine with it, go ahead. Yeah.
And you on a diet or something like that?
Do I look like I'm on a diet? Actually, I started. Initially, I was very arrogant, so I would just say I'm fat and let them sign me if they like me like this. But then, suddenly it hit me one day that, not all directors are fine with the way you look. You have to kind of lose some weight. So I am trying to lose weight. I wouldn't say a diet, but then I eat whatever I want and then try to work out types.
You have a sweet tooth?
Yeah. I love sweets. Like I crave for pastries and all that all the time. But then I think it's been at least a week since I had something like that. So yeah, trying to control.
And you like Indian or Chinese food?
Chinese. I see Indian I like when it comes to South Indian food like dosa, idli. That is must for my breakfast. I cannot live without my dosa and idli. But then after that, if you ask me like lunch or anything, I wouldn't mind Chinese. I always tell my dad if a guy can afford to give me Chinese food every day.
No, you come from Kerala, so very good food. Kerala food is excellent.
Kerala food is amazing. Like putta, kadla, all that. See, that's what I'm saying. Breakfast, I love Kerala food. Otherwise, I think I'm someone who loves to eat a lot of chicken and all that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Manjima, pleasure talking to you.
Same here, sir.
And I hope AYM and Triple S become a major hit and you are here to stay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.